Okay, so here are some two practice problems to do on your own, and then I will go over the answers. So pause the video, write this out, practice for yourself. Make sure that you understand these before you go on to the mastery check. So in Europe, gasoline is sold by the liter. Assume that it takes 14 gallons of gasoline to fill the tank of a compact car. How many liters of gasoline will it take? 1 gallon is 3.8 liters. All right, so remember each of the steps. Figure out which units you want, which units you have, and how you can cancel the units to get to where you want to be. Pause the video now. Try this problem. Okay, so here is your answers, right? You write liters gasoline per car, because that's what the unit that you want to get, and you have liters of gasoline per gallons of gasoline. So you set it up with how many gallons per car so that you get liters of gasoline per car. And you'll see here that these will cancel. So you're left with liters of gasoline per car. So you get 53.2 liters of gasoline per car. You can use decimal points for liters of gasoline. But if you're using something about like animals or plants or organisms, you don't use decimal points because you can't have half a human, right? So remember, you always check for common sense to make sure it makes sense. Alrighty. Some owls maintain territories of up to 3 acres. How many owls could live in a large wooded area of 20 hectares? 1 hectare equals 2.47 acres. So go ahead and set this up, try it out for yourself, and then we'll go over it. Alright, so you have 1 owl per 3 acres. And you want to remember, you're trying to get owls per 1 area. Okay? So you're figuring out the units that you would need to cancel to get to owl per area. So you want to get rid of acres. So you know 2.47 acres are in 1 hectare. So acres cancels. And then now you have this. And then you want to figure out hectares per area. You know that. So you can then cancel out hectares per area. And then you just multiply across. And you get 16.47, which would be 16 owls per area. So remember, you can't have decimal places for an owl. So you just round down to the nearest whole number. So you have 16 owls per that area. All right, that's it.